Want to speak English every day? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Spoken English. I'll go shopping before I go home. I need to buy a few things. I'll stop by the supermarket. The supermarket isn't far from here. I'll take a shopping cart. First, I'll buy some vegetables. These tomatoes look fresh. I'll take some potatoes. I need some onions. I'll buy some carrots. I'll get some spinach. Now I'll buy some fruit. These apples look fresh. I'll take a bunch of bananas. I also need some oranges. I'll buy a loaf of bread. I need some eggs. I'll get a bottle of milk. I need some butter. I'll buy some cheese. I need some rice. I'll take a bag of flour. I also need cooking oil. I'll buy some chicken. Everything looks fresh. I think that's all I need. Let me check my shopping list. Yes, I have everything. I'll go to the checkout counter. How much is it? I'll pay by card. Here's my card. Thank you. Here's your receipt. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening. You too. I'll put the groceries in my bag. Now I'm ready to go home. Today was a busy but productive day. I finally arrived home after shopping. I'm happy to be back home. I'll close the door carefully. I'll take off my shoes. I'll put my shoes on the shoe rack. I'll place my shopping bags on the dining table. The bags are quite heavy. I'll take a deep breath and relax. First, I'll wash my hands. Now, I'll wash my face. I feel fresh already. I'll go to my bedroom. I'll change my office clothes. I'll wear comfortable home clothes. These clothes feel much more comfortable. I'll fold my office clothes neatly. I'll put them in the laundry basket. Now I'm ready to unpack the groceries. I'll start with the vegetables. I'll wash the vegetables carefully. I'll let them dry for a while. I'll put the tomatoes in the refrigerator. I'll keep the carrots in the vegetable drawer. I'll store the spinach properly. I'll put the potatoes in a basket. I'll keep the onions in a cool, dry place. Now I'll arrange the fruit. I'll wash the apples. I'll put the bananas in the fruit basket. I'll place the oranges beside the apples. I'll put the milk in the refrigerator. I'll keep the butter and cheese on the top shelf. I'll place the eggs carefully in the egg tray. I'll keep the bread in the bread box. I'll store the chicken in the freezer. I'll pour the rice into its storage container. I'll keep the flour in an airtight container. I'll place the cooking oil in the kitchen cabinet. Everything is now in its proper place. My kitchen looks clean and organized. I love keeping my home tidy. A clean home makes me feel relaxed. I'll wipe the kitchen counter. I'll throw away the empty shopping bags. Now everything looks perfect. I'll sit on the sofa and rest for a few minutes. I feel relaxed after finishing everything. Today was a busy but productive day. I'm proud of myself for staying organized. Now I'm ready to enjoy a peaceful evening at home. Great job! You finished today's lesson? I hope you learned something new. Practice these sentences every day. Speak English with confidence. Keep learning. Keep improving. Don't give up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to subscribe to Daily Spoken English. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.